Top morning to you ladies. My name is Just the Guy, and welcome back to Raft. Sorry. The reason why I haven't been uploading much is because I'm right now on Thanksgiving break and I was sick with a cold, so I had to wait till it get going. And now my fucking nose don't. My nose won't stop me from recording a video for you guys. So let's get in. I've already been to an island, so you guys let me know if you want me to go to an island in the comments, because I need to know for sure. Which means we get a limited supply of rope. But we'll just stay on the raft for now. I already built the boat off camera because I wanted to get the boat. As I said I would. Oh, shit. Where's the fucking boat at? So, but right now we're gonna leave, because fuck the island, it's abandoned, we're never coming back, so we're heading back home, because you guys really did want to see this again, because I had so much fun playing it, as much as you guys love enjoying, so, yeah. How you guys doing today? I'm doing pretty good. Excited for Thanksgiving? Me too. Here in Clark, I live in America. I live in the United States. I was gonna say Ireland, but then again, I would sound Irish. No, I'm American. And now some born system. This is the boring part of the game. Just sitting here. Alright, we need to get my bearings. Ha, found it. Found my bearings. That's the big island right there. Right there on my screen. You see right there, that tiny piece? Let me stop and show you. This is the big island. It disappeared. Sure, it'll pop up again. That's Sharky, really? You gotta follow me everywhere. It's like a curse. It follows you everywhere. Sorry. It says to her, I just got power. I've been without power for about 18 days. 18 days without power. In case you guys didn't know, a hurricane just hit through Florida. Hurricane Michael, I'm sure you're hearing about it in the world news. Okay, where's my bearings? Up there's another island. Wait, what? Oh, there it is. I'm not far. But yeah, this is one part I hate about the game is where you gotta travel. I gotta move the camera. Sorry about the camera's face. Let me know if you want me to do just the guy's funniest home videos. Let me know if you want me to do that. I have great ideas. I have great ideas for this channel. I'm sure if one day we make it into the big leagues, where we start growing bigger and bigger and bigger. So, I don't mean to hurt your ears. And right now it's getting chilly in here. I think one time it got like 28 degrees at my house. That's fucking cold, man. The average temperature around Florida is about 45. I'm guessing. Probably somewhere around 30. That's what I'm guessing. That's what I'm guessing. This is so boring. Probably gonna take about half of the video just going through this. How close are we? There's the big island. Can't wait till we get back to Rafty, back to home sweet home. Did he just freeze? I didn't click anything! Second, I thought the game crashed. I was like, fuck! Damn, I'm messing with fucking recording. Damn, I'm gonna kill it. I'm going to kill this game. Look, I did it again. I can't swim. The shark. You know what? Fuck this. You know what? I'm just gonna build a raft out in the middle of nowhere. Because society doesn't want me anymore. So we'll start building this fucking raft. So let's go in the crafting menu. I know you guys don't like me, my finger in your fucking face. I get that. And I'm really sorry. So how much? I don't have enough. I have 64 rope. That's a lot of rope. So guys, we got plenty. We'll make 4. We'll make a lot. How much did it make? I mean, how the fuck craft the menu? Let me out. How much did it make? So, in case you guys don't know, so how much do I have? Sorry about that. I have 10. That's a lot. But right now, we're going to build it around the boat. Because I want to build it around the boat. To, like, keep it here. Oh, I don't like it like that. No, we could just leave and abandon the boat. Fuck the boat. Donk. The shark will actually attack if you get far away. Lesson learned, don't go far from your raft. Sharky, if you son of a bitch. Son of a bitch, and the game keeps freezing. No, get out! I have the fear of dying, because dying in this game sucks balls. It sucks all the ass. No, don't build it. Don't fucking build it there! Shit. I got 2 left. Donk. And we'll build. I'm not building it there. I want to build it there. See, we have a fully embedded dock, I would say. It's fucking glitched. So I built a raft, another raft. This will be a starter for me, because the game is glitching out. Oh, sorry, because the game is glitching out like crazy. It never does that whenever I start to record my game, it's like shut down. Like I have it planned. I fucking want to do it, and it's like going 60 frames per second or something like that. And sorry, because this cold's gonna kill me. I have a cold, but it may not sound like it, but probably like the mid of the day. Oh shit, it's getting night. Nighttime ain't good for Justin. Because nighttime sucks all balls. So we're going into the crafting menu. We're going to start crafting a cooking station. I'm sorry. Sorry, it's just that it's getting in the way. Come on, roll down, you fucker. So the trap is like the resource. There's resource nests. I need to build a water. Well, 1. There, we're done. In real life, you can go pretty much almost about a month without food. It's a proven fact. Actually, it's been a proven fact in the world, as we know today. that you can go a month without food. Water dehydration is a bitch, because it'll kill you like this. It'll kill it. I can't snap good, so it'll kill you quicker than a rattlesnake can kill you. I'm not sure. I'm a whale biologist. I don't know this shit. No, we're gonna cook potato. Justin needs that potatoes. Ah, shit! I ate a rabbit. I ate a spoiled raw. Is that gonna kill me? Yeah, I am part Irish. It is proof. I've taken an ancestry test. That chest. Test, Justin. Oh, I had. I'm gonna save these meats. I'm gonna cook the potatoes. The potatoes are a lot more than fish. The fish don't give you shit. There's two good things out here is that you can. A raft is much safer than being on an island. An island, you have to worry about the bears and stuff. You have to worry about all that shit. The island has a tons of benefits. Firstly, you can eat the animals, but they put up a fight to get you. Cook me water. Cook me water. Damn it, waiter! I don't want raw water. I want cooked water, damn it. Get it right. Get it right, nigga. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, episode. Just get it right. Get it right. Delicious. Sounds like I was eating a piece of meat, even though this is soft. That potato didn't look delicious, but I'll accept it. Oh my god, I feel so good. So now we're back in the nitty gritty. Well, I think I'm going to leave this episode here because we've had to rebuild and we've done a lot. So I think I'm going to leave the episode here because we've done a lot. Not really, we built another raft. So, yeah. And plus, Sharky here followed me again. Sharky couldn't get me on the island. There are tons of benefits on the island. But, yeah. So, thank you guys so much for watching this episode. If you liked it, punch the like button in the face like a boss! And high fives around. Whoosh, whoosh. Thank you guys. And I'll see all you dudes.